Welcome to the stream. Welcome back, guys. Morning. I hope everybody's fine. Morning. Yeah. Yeah, morning, Kenan, and morning, Rahman. Last Friday, we opened some trades, okay, before the end of the New York session. Those trades were running fine, but then when the market opened today in the Tokyo session and it basically crossed 2504, it just retraced back to the zero line. Basically, if I, as I always say, look at 1 hour, look at 1 hour as you look at a daily candle. Basically, just looking for stop loss hunt. Price is still inside this zone, and price is basically just trying to, give an impression that gold is going down. But as I said over here, this I never trust a sell. This most probably is a stop loss area hunt. All this week, still have unemployment trade running from last 2 weeks, and the trade which I opened on Friday, two of them they hit stop loss, and three of them they hit break even, which I will update on live. I waited for it, and this in Tokyo session, since today is USD bank holiday and CAD bank holiday. Both of these pairs they will be low volume, but since it was Tokyo session, I tried to get an entry with a tight stop loss, but I removed the stop loss before I went to bed. So my trades are still in a loss. These ones running in loss, almost about to hit my stop loss, but I took some fresh buys over here. As I say that if you have a trade plan, follow your trade plan. If it is hit stop loss, it's all right. We'll rebuy, re-entry. Gold cannot be neglected. It cannot be ignored. The rebuy entries I had it are they are layers on 2095 till 97. I wa- I waited for the live stream to update these things on. So anybody is watching right now, we are in London session, okay? This is your rebuy area. If your trade hit stop loss, it's all right. This is a rebuy area. Why? Look at gold. Throughout this week, we have lots of data coming in, lots of high impact data starting from Monday, which is of course no news. On Tuesday, we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Wednesday, we have Bank of Canada rate state, or what do you say, interest rate. We have USD jobs opening on Thursday. We have USD ADP non-farm employment change. Final services PMI, ISM services PMI on Friday. We have unemployment rate of CAD and USD, which is a major USD is a major, sound is coming is slow, yeah. Zeus, you are in from a buy from bro, what the hell? You had buys running from 505. It means that you don't put stop loss, Zeus. It means that you have a bad habit of not putting stop loss. I told you to, to take basically, but I don't know if you have a huge ass account and you are just waiting for it. You don't want a loss. You are a kind of a guy who always wants to, have a green PNL. I don't know, but you have to get rid of this bad habit. You have to get rid of this bad habit, or it's gonna, sunk into your memory. Yeah, If you see, the price went towards 24.89. My SL was 24.92. Over here, two trades hit stop loss that were running from Friday over here, and although I removed the stop loss on the weekend, but this Tokyo session I put it back. It hit break even and some it stop loss, but this trade is still running. I managed this trade in a way that I removed stop loss, then I put stop loss back over here. Why? Because the pullback happened. So you have to do these things by yourself. But in short, I don't recommend this kind of strategy versus I have new fresh layers of buys over here. Because my entire focus was to enter a rebuy. I'm looking at 1 hourly as daily. Okay, guys. And this week, all the data, if, mostly guys, they were like, how you gonna trade on NFP? They say these are the NFP trade. If I get a small stop loss hunts for, rebuy entry, because gold is hunting, the gold knows, but it's gonna eventually, head up. So I can, afford to, take a small loss rather than, a big loss on Friday and then try to rebuy and most probably, go into depression. People do that shit. They know it's small risk to reward ratio. If I take the loss, it's all right. Walk away with the loss, learn to walk away, and then I rebought around this area, so the trades are quite profitable. We'll be really rewarding. Always follow your plan. It's all right. Shit happens, and I will update this. Three of my trades they hit break even, so now I have nine break even trades. Two of my trades they hit stop loss that overnight, so that totals five. So it's all right, It's all right. We are still profitable. This is all live, and my TP area. This is in Tokyo session, all right. My TP area right now. Wait a second. I'm following the same plan. Everything is being updated live. I leave my streaming desk PC to to live so I update it on live stream. Otherwise I have those things on my other PC and laptop running. I updated just for the sake of this. This rebuy entry area was most probably around. This is your golden zone, right? So your rebuy area is most probably around here, 24.94 till even you can say the zero line. I'm stretching towards the zero line. Your stop loss, of course, should be below your zero line, which is I'm gonna put at 87, 87 till 85. You can. And my TP, which I'm putting right now, is of course TP1 is around this area. TP2 is 12 this time. And no, I think we'll go for 2505. Yeah, 12 is alright. And then we will have 2517. And even I put TP4 now because sometimes it's easier to 25.65.52. Mm, 0.01. You can put it like this, 0.88. If you have any questions, you can ask me. This is Pro Wolf Trader. In London session, please like and subscribe the channel. Today I am aiming for around 30 likes. Yet again, I'll stream for 2 hours. In between the sessions, I will answer to some questions asked by the premium group and also the YouTube chat. Wait a second, let me, if I have some error, 25. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, this is a typo error. Sorry, typo error. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for correcting me. I mean, if you look at this Tokyo session buy entry, this entry will also be, you know, viable for, it might be viable in New York session, but New York session there is a USD or bank holiday. You don't know how the, when the, what do you say, when the market is basically, market is in, low volume. London has opened, and I say that every trade session acts differently. London is, trying to find its way through the market session. You can see over here. This is Tokyo Open, also Tokyo High. This is Tokyo Low. Okay, and now we have London Open right now. So we are in between. This is why I say trade sessions also play a key role. All the premium members in group 1 and 2, they, whatever questions they have, they can ask the question in the group. They can send the question in group and I'll answer it. The Discord channel, the Discord page is under construction. At the, so when it's complete, I'll post the link. You can still join it right now, but it's not completed yet. I need one more week. I have my team working on the Discord channel. Then you guys can hang out over there. When I'm live streaming, there will be a trading flow over there specifically for premium members. Access to specific things. You can, get access to specific things over there. There will also be a lobby for people who join the free Telegram group. But of course, more content will be available to people who join in the premium VIP, and I'll be bringing more access to more stuff. I'm open to ideas, so if you guys have something in your mind, you can send it to me. We bought the rebuy, gold rebuy over here. Those rebuys are still running. Everything is live, totally genuine. I took two stop loss in Tokyo and three break even. My trade is this one is still running. I should not done that, but I did it. I managed it. I removed stop loss. I waited for the pullback. Then I put the stop loss at the same level over here. Then also I took layers of buy in this region. Currently the gold is pumping. I'm waiting for the gold to hit TP1, which is around 2506.81, and I will take my partial profits. Then I'll also recover my losses, plus I'll be in profitable for today. The two stop losses which I hit will be covered over here, plus I'll be in profit. Plus I'll put my trades from here on break even. Then I'll take partial profits on TP 2512 over here in this region. Then I'll I will put like other trades on break even. I'm gonna let it run. This trade I think I will take partial profit at 25.12 cents, because since I got a better entry over here, there's no need to keep this trade running. And I also tell guys to follow your plan, follow your trade plan. It's better to follow a trade plan. It's alright. Shit happens, it's alright. Like and subscribe. Today my target is to get 30 likes. And I also want to update that the first batch of Pro Bowl Trader first batch has started, and I'm not accepting anymore those of whom who applied, who were on a vacation, or they were on a far away, they were busy with their family. Those of whom whose payment are still pending, but I have reserved their spot. But if I don't get a reply in 2 3 days, I will eventually not accept them anymore, even if they say send payments, because it's already too late. The next batch is gonna start from next month in October, 1st October. The next batch is gonna start in 1st October, and I will start. And of course, the next batch is gonna, as I said, that as the each new batch is coming, I'm gonna increase the price, because I'm not here for the quantity. I'm here for the quality. I wanna educate some people who wanna invest in themselves. I want them profitable. And I all the time say, if you cannot take a loss, then you cannot take a profit. Our trades are running, they're running quite fine. No need to, I rather put it like this. Yeah, this makes more sense. This is Tokyo session, this is London session. Please like and subscribe the channel. It helps. If you have any question, you can ask me. Since today is USD bank holiday, there's gonna be low volume. But since this is the start of a new month, you also have to make sure. One thing you have to notice is that a lot of new traders, they don't understand these things. They don't know that whenever the fresh month starts, the first Monday is the FX expiry date and options. Options and FX expiry date. And if I recall, today on Monday, the FX expiry is for Euro USD, USD JPY, or USD, USD CNY, GBP USD. Today is the FX expiry of these Forex pairs. And basically, I also posted it on last Friday that speculative traders, they are turning short on dollar for the first time since February. I mean, if you see dollar is on continuous weakness for the 52 weeks. For the past 52 weeks, dollar is in weak state. Dollar is not rallying. Dollar is weak as fuck. As I mentioned over here, our TP1 will be hit heat, and we will follow our trade plan because that's what we do. Majority of the people they hide, they panic. I'm sharing every this trade basically was a premium trade, premium rebuy trade. For those people who took, they knew the risk. Some people, they know how I trade, so they stick to my trade plan because I briefed them about this area, the area between 2490 and 2500. I specifically briefed them on last Friday that this zone is a buy zone, and no matter how much price tries to break below it, it will not break it, but because it most probably gonna be a stop loss hunt area, SL hunt area. And if you can, if it's possible for you, if you are live trading, if you are sitting, I don't know, if you're on a 9 to 5 job or doing anything, if you are in front of mobile, laptop, anything, and you see this gold dropping in that zone, don't panic. Don't think it's a breakdown. It's just a fake out. Like last week, gold is just trying to fool you. If your SL hit, it's alright. Get in a rebuy, ENT buy, because it's like a best area to enter. And consider that SL as your office expense, taxes, payment to employees. Just, write it off from your head. Yeah. Hey, Azad, I'm fine. Try to, just for the sake for the live stream, try to communicate in English because everybody else is also watching. It's alright, you can post it, but, we'll try to, so other people who are also watching, they can, they also know what's happening. You are representing your country too, I'm also from the same place, but as I said, there are lots of streamers out there from that specific country, and a lot of people are following them from our neighboring countries too. They have a specific audience, but the thing is, you have to be professional too. If you're not professional, then what's the difference between you and a degenerate trader? No, it's okay. You can ask me, but try to, just for the sake. As I said, it's Monday. We are following our trade plan regardless of what happens. I'm looking for buy re-entries. 3 trades hit break even. 2 trades hit stop loss. I took rebuys. This trade is still running, which I will close eventually on TP2, which is 2515, or I'll close around 2506 at TP1. I'll close this. I have nice rebuys over here. I always say if it is stop loss is good because you're following your trade plan, you get a buy entry. You cover all the losses. I know it's a problem on a small accounts, but if you have large account, it's okay. You're following your trade plan. You don't need huge ass risk. NFP is coming this Friday, and as I said that my plan is to carry some of the trades into the NFP session on Friday. And how we gonna do it? The thing is, when the market opens on Monday, it opens low. It go retest. It makes a monthly low, and after that it just keep on rising up. We were waiting for such a kind of a move, and I'd open my buy layers. I will take partial profits and let the other trades run on break even, just like I'd opened some of my trades on unemployment data 2 weeks ago. This is the third week. At the completion of this week is gonna be 1 month for those trades. So I planned ahead for the NFP. Always plan ahead. You have to plan ahead so that you can survive. You can survive in the market. This is how you survive. Just in case anybody is not watching, if you have any question, you can ask me. In the meanwhile, I answer some group 1 questions. And group 2, also ask me some questions if you have any lingering in your mind. This trade is really important trade. Why? Because this trade is not just for scalps. This trade is for I follow the price. If it hits, it hits. But right now, I told as I said previously that the price moves based on 1 hourly candle. 1 hourly candle is the basis. If you see, I don't predict anything. Okay, I follow the market, but I also see the past data, past repetitive behavior, and based on that behavior, I follow the behavior pattern and expect it to behave in that way, and I keep on, following the price. And as you can see over here, the pullback is over here. The last week, the pullback happened on 1 hourly. Okay, it pulled back after dropping, but this week on last Friday and during Tokyo session, and now in the London, is acting in the same word. The but is a little bit behavior is different. This time is creating candles and then pushing up. It's not like a pullback, is like a completion of a 1 hour candle and then a retracement. And logically, as I said, that gold will push up. NFP data last month, sorry, pushed gold down. And it is a routine every time whenever the NFP is around the corner, the gold will always push up. And there are several news that is coming in. George job opening, PMI uh, claims, and ADP non-farm employment change, and NFP on Friday. So these data are huge data, and also you have to note, keep in mind that NF the data, the follow-up data towards NFP, all that data we were trading for the last 2 weeks, the successful, profitable trades that we took on all those data, unemployment and PCE, that data has also, an effect on NFP. The data came in really high. The GDP data last week was high. So the GDP data should have pushed gold up, but gold went down. It doesn't make sense. The unemployment was kind of a low, but it was, sorry, kind of a high claims, but sorry, kind of a low claims, but it was close, just 1,000 claims less than, otherwise the job market would be really hot. But I also have that data in, put in my analysis. I have a specific formula that I put all the data in and try to see what's the, what's happening. You cannot just forget everything that has happened prior to, a week or a 2 week. You have to, because those are economic data, those are economic indicators that result in the upward or a downward momentum. All our trades gonna be profitable soon. My loss, two trade loss will be covered and I'll be in profit. And then I'll put my trades on partial profit and I'll let them run. This trade I'm also gonna TP, a small TP. I'll close them in short. And this trade is my bread and butter. These, and then we'll, along this way, I think we're gonna be scalping this week. If gold's gonna push up over here, then we're gonna, as I said, if I buy, I buy. If I sell, I sell throughout the session. I'm gonna stick to that plan. I'm sticking to my buy plan for the London session. Tokyo, I was in a buy too, and London, I'm gonna be buying too. If you are not comfortable with my trade plan, no need to follow it. If you are watching this stream for free, I mean to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're just watch it, okay? No need to take any trades. If you're just tuned in right now, this is my second week of live streaming. My target is to hit 30 likes today. I'm a bit tired because I've been working online. Because the thing is that you have to work on weekend as much as possible, all the analysis and everything. So through the when the week starts, you don't have to, you just have to see the upcoming data. You have to sink into that data as it keeps on updating. I need 30 likes. Please like and subscribe this channel. As soon as we hit our 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give a premium membership giveaway. My second course is also starting from 1st October. The fees will go up. The course fees will go up with each session, with each new batch. And after like 3-4 months, when the first three batches are cleared out, I'm gonna launch a new course which is, I'm still thinking, is gonna be a professional level. But what I'm teaching in this course is enough to be profitable. But that next course is gonna be for people who take trading really on the next level, like full time, when they want to make serious money. And as I said again, what I'm teaching in course one is enough. Is a lot. It's like the institutional trading way. But the thing I'm gonna teach on that will be, in short, a retirement trades. How to get it, how to retire in 5 6 years. That's what I'm gonna be trading in, teaching in those courses. In our lifespan, there's gonna be lots of crashes. There's gonna be recessions. In my lifetime, I saw three crashes. The first crash which I saw, I didn't even know what's happening. Then COVID crash I saw. Then later on, also experienced recession. Boomed I experienced. I've experienced, in my entire perspective, when the stock market rallied after the COVID, it was the best time for anybody who was buying stocks. Best time. Easy money, buy and forget. But right now, everything that goes up eventually falls down. Recession was due. I could not. Yeah, also more thing. I could not upload the weekly analysis because of some issues. I was busy with a lot with my analysis, so update. I'll upload it today because it was a hectic week and a weekend last week and weekend. This morning when the Chinese PMI released, the Asian traders, they were really careful because the reason I trade in Tokyo session is that you cannot ignore data coming from China. The data that comes from China is also important. Right now, China is in a war with Europe. Trade war, I mean. Europe is putting heavy taxes on Chinese EVs. This is like corporate level shit. China, they cannot stop China. China is the oldest civilization. They know how to survive. They'll even survive a zombie apocalypse. It's just a joke, but it's a reality. The oldest civilization. They have gone through lots of phases. They're still here. The oldest dynasty. You cannot mess with them regarding trade stuff. Hell, they even go to places nobody wanna go and make relations. Their entire key focus is to look for opportunities and take risks where other people can. Our trades are still running. I'm gonna go grab my tea. I'll be back right in a minute. If you have any questions, please drop the questions in the chat box. And group 1 and 2, please drop any questions. This Pro Wolf Trader trading in London session, please like and subscribe. Group 2 is filling. The spots will be gone in a few weeks, and I won't be accepting any more premium for a specific time duration. It's gonna be a wait list. Our team is building up the Discord channel. Then all our premium members will be live over there on the trading floor with us. And those of whom are in office and cannot, they'll be in touch with us until they come back home and join. Besides, when we will not be on live streaming on YouTube, we will be on the trading floor, and all our morning briefings and everything will be given. It will be given on Telegram and Discord both to the premium members. And I'll bring more subscriptions, more options, more perks later, but that's gonna take time, so tune in. I'm gonna come back in a minute. My trades are running. I'm profitable in the rebuy entries. I need 30 likes today, so like and subscribe the channel. Okay, I'm back. All our trades are running in profit. As I mentioned earlier, that gold is making a really, what will gold do? Gold will do what gold does before moving up. Come on, guys, I need 30 likes. Come on, where is everybody? Wake up, guys, wake up. So many less viewers. Where is everybody? Was probably working their 9 to 5. I respect that, man. But for the long term, they know they need to escape the matrix. Why show zero viewers? The hell? Okay, look at the pump. Holy shit. That pump. Pumping. And all the sellers who open their sell positions most likely be questioning their decisions. I mean, it's okay, they were temporary scalping, but you have to be careful if you are opening a sell. I'm not opening sell. As I don't care as much as it gives me, the greed, I don't give in to the sell. As much as this sell trade will try to seduce me, I will, keep myself far away from a sell position. Because this sell is like a sinful act, it's like a forbidden apple. All the sell trades on gold currently are like I'm over here, bro. Come on. everything is fine, trades are running, no Ponzi scheme, no selling free indicator as paid indicator, no dumb shit on stupid supply and demand, support and resistance, market structure bullshit, think China sell, no such bullshit, 100% experience, trading strategies of course, but not gonna share it. It's only available for people who wanna learn. You cannot change something. I mean, you cannot change the name of a specific indicator and call your strategy. Mostly people, what they do is they take something. Let's just say on a 1 hourly. Let's just say currently it's a higher higher low, and stuck in a range. And now people, this is if you are SMC ICT, you will call this a sell side or a buy side liquidity. It's a demand zone and a sell zone, and lots of things. But mostly people will even the same damn thing. This same resistance is called the BOS. The same damn thing is called the buy side liquidity. The same damn thing is called market structure. You can change the name and make it in a course and sell it. People, oh my god, he's a new thing. Fair value gap. This, but all it's in the all. It's just like you can change the name as much as you want, but it's the same damn thing, and it won't help you be profitable. Come on, you have to. It's like you have to know a lot of things besides these things. This is why I say stay away from new traders. Should stay away from these. Oh, mostly people are text me. Can you tell me the indicator? I'll become profitable. If you and people they have so many indicators on their chart. I mean, come on, man. One, two indicators are enough, and you need a leading indicator. Mostly are lagging indicators. You need to have a trade setup, of course, but that trade setup should be like to see. Let's just say over here. Do you see on 1 hourly anything? No. Over here. Oh no, you have put my FMC. This is, you know, I just put these labels to understand where the ICT SMC traders they gonna get in their trades. If they, I know they're gonna open their sell over here, so as a precaution, I stick to my original plan. Have a buy over here because I am following the same pattern which has been on a repetitive since last year when gold was 1800 till now when 2500 that it refuses to make a downward correction towards 2300 and 2200 and even held 2400. It's just why? Because rate cut is gonna happen. We are in September, it's happening now. And when it's gonna happen, then we're gonna see how things turns out. We're just waiting for the pump towards 2512. That's where I'm gonna take my second TP after I take my first TP at 2506. If I just waited for this area. Why? Because we are close to zero line. Otherwise, I would have preferred 2503 as TP1. But you can take TP if you have trades running from 25, 8, 9, 93. But I'll rather wait for it. When we have waited till here, it's gonna eventually move up. 1 hourly is still moving up. It's gonna pump up anytime. Soon as they why? Because trapping in all the sellers. And we are basically setting up for our weekly trade towards NFP. We are entering the NFP. So it's we of course we're gonna take buy trades and enter with partial profits and of course a swing trade towards NFP. This is how you plan ahead. And if you get small stop loss, which I did over here too, over here, it's alright. You consider it's a small expense rather than take a huge loss on that news trading, which is eventually risky because you never know what's gonna happen when the data releases. It's gonna pump up, go down because that's when the market hunts the liquidity of buyers and sellers both, and then even when the data is bullish or say bearish, but depending on the economic data, but it does that kind of a behavior because that's what you have to be careful of about all the traders who take their trades 2 weeks, 1 week earlier. They like the long traders are profitable. That's why because they play safe over here. They're outside the zone. It's like you are outside the blast radius. They're observing because they planned ahead. People mostly call sniper trades like this is sniper trade on 5 minutes. The real snipers are sitting on 4 hourly, 1 day, 1 weekly trades. So those are the real snipers. Sniping is not just about taking your target down. 90% is just about observation. So yeah, these are I consider long term, 1 weekly, 1 monthly, 1 weekly, 4 hourly as sniper trades, but you need lots of patience for that, and only OG and old traders can do that because they have the patience, the money, the patience, and the time and everything because they're not just hooked on to these long trades, they're also scalping side by side. They have sight beyond sight. They're planning ahead, and we take the same approach. We plan ahead. They are intraday traders. They jump in. Oh, I don't care what happened last week. I still know by the grace of Almighty God protect us from evil. I still know what happened a week ago or 2 weeks ago or last month. You have to keep that. We are human beings. We made supercomputers. Supercomputer didn't make us. You need to put all that data in your head. Yes, human beings are smarter than some supercomputers. If you cannot unlock your full potential, it's your fault. You rely too much on technology. All the great mathematicians, scientists, go check them out. During the space race, all the aircrafts, all the technology, all that satellite, all those things that were giving to us was backed by those very people that didn't rely on technology too much, but they made some amazing stuff that is still running from supersonic aircrafts to God knows what. This is why always try to unlock the full capacity potential. This is nothing. This trading will be, trading is the easiest money you make the hardest way. This was what my mentor told me. It's the easiest money you make the hard way, but when once you set in the momentum, everything is in rhythm then. It's like you keep on dancing. It's like when the music turns on, you start dancing. It's how a trader, it's OG trader reacts when he sees a specific trade setup without emotions. He just dance with the to the tune. Okay, I'm back. Welcome back. Anybody who's tuning right now, please like and subscribe. I need 30 likes today for the London stream. Our first batch of Pro Bowl traders starting in New York session. Already the first group got briefed in the Tokyo session, and the first lesson has been done. The next batch is gonna start from 1st October next month, and the booking has been opened. The last date for registration is the end of this month, after which nobody more applicants will be acceptable. The group 2 in premium membership is currently filling in. Also, when it's completed, when the group is full, I'm not gonna accept anymore, and the third group is not gonna be available for a quite long time. Is there gonna be a wait list for the next group? The most, because we have too many people right now and we are managing. The wolf pack is increasing, so we're gonna make sure that people who are serious, determined, and ready to change themselves before the end of this year and to be a profitable trader. If you're already profitable, to be more consistent profit, and if you are in a loss, we'll try to cover as much as loss as possible. But in order to make you psychologically free, we're gonna consider that loss as a loss, and we're gonna move with the approach that whatever losses cannot be recovered, so we'll try to make consistent profit that outgrow your losses. That's gonna be our psychology for anybody who's in a losing spirit. And hey, motivated Nick, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'll get on to you. I got your message. We'll try to resolve your issue, which is currently being created by the so-called bank that you are using. It's all right. It happens. Shit happens. A lot of other people also went through this. Anyways, on date on our trades that were running from Friday, some of them got break even, and some of them those trades hit a stop loss, and I updated that on the chart. Currently, I rebuyed in the Tokyo session, but with that rebuy, I somehow managed it to keep those trades running. And as soon as it comes at break even, I'm gonna close those trades. And I have my rebuys over here. This entire area is my rebuy. Plus, I have trades running from unemployment trade running from last previous 2 weeks. This is the third week after the completion of this week, only 1 month. This week we have NFP on Friday. Before that we have, yeah, today's bank holiday. Tuesday we have got, then we have job George, then we have around all the follow-up high impact data. Hold on, I'm getting some questions. Yeah, on Tuesday we have ISM and manufacturing PMI. On Wednesday we have George. Thursday, as always, no ADP non-farm, then final services PMI, then after an on hour and 15 minutes later, we we gonna then have ISM services PMI, and on Friday we got NFP, and after NFP we have FOMC member William and Waller. They're gonna speak. They're gonna move the market. They'll try to move the market with their terms, but most probably Powell moves it. But as far as the people in the Wall Street are concerned, they will try to cash in every opportunity. We are not gonna wait till Friday to trade on news. We will open our trades, and and all, like, and follow up with till the NFP. All the trades are given, all those nice sweet buy re-entry trades, and they will be provided on the premium channel to the premium members in group 1 and 2. And if you are in a free group and if you are watching live stream, you might get your chance to buy in that specific area if you are watching this. But again, we are in buys from here in this region. There were some people who bought. As I mentioned to them that 2590 is going to be a buy area, and they bought. A lot of people, this was the area which I mentioned to them that 2490 to 2500 is going to be buy area. So a lot of people, they put buy limits near 2490. The area between 2485 to 2090 was a buy limit area. A lot of people, they opened buy limit in this area, and their buy limits got triggered when they were sleeping. They woke up with trades running in profit. If they had any trades running, by running, yeah, of course it is stop loss, but they got by re-entry and they are in profit, and most likely as our trade management setup goes, we buy several layers and then we take partial profits around those areas and put on break even. So most probably in an hour or so during London session, they're gonna, if they have any losses, they're gonna recover all the losses, plus they're gonna be in profits, because this is just the start of the this week, and we have, there are gonna be lots of opportunities, and as far as I can see, there are lots of swing trades which are coming in. I only provide gold signal on live stream, free daily one signal on Telegram group, and 5 premium signals, which include gold, Bitcoin, oil, black gold, Forex major minor pairs, USD, GBP, yen. So all those swing entry signals are still going to be coming in. Group 1, I provided them. Group 2, last week started, so they're going to be getting a buy re-entry in oil, in Bitcoin, and Forex major minor pairs. So if you are not in a group, you're missing out. I mean, you can take advantage of free Telegram group and live stream, but if you want to seriously make lots of money, you need to surround yourself with people who have the same goal. Anyways, because you need an environment. You work in an office, you have your office colleagues who, some of them, they are your seniors, they manage you. So you got a guy over there managing you. Why don't get yourself a mentor who will at least whoop your ass if you make any rookie mistakes, like removing your stop loss or not following your risk to reward ratio. No mumbo jumbo indicator bullshit. We trade on it. We have a trade setup. I'm not denying, but I'm by the when I say mumbo jumbo, it means some smart ass trying to sell this free indicator as a paid indicator and try to scam people. Why? Because he can trade and he'll try to justify it. There are more than 500 indicators. Only 100 are useful. Out of 100, only 20 are accurate. In those 100, they are leading and lagging indicator. Each indicator has specific purpose. MAC RSI are not used for buying and selling. They are used for identifying divergences, and those divergences need other specific things to make more accurate price following strategy. Those divergences will either confirm buy or a sell entry setup, but you'll need other things attached along the divergence, hidden and normal divergence, in order to make your trading setup work. So there are lots of things, there's not one thing. Please like and subscribe. I'm looking forward to 30 likes today. And please like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna give away free members. There gonna be a giveaways when we reach 1,000 subscribers. We are growing. The wolf pack is growing. First batch has started from today. All those people whose payments are still pending, I had reserved a seat for them. But if they don't, after a lot of consideration, but I will not accept after 2 days if anybody is delayed. If anybody, because the after 2 days is really gonna be hard. I'm not gonna put anybody in between the when the course has started, because it's gonna slow the progress of the overall group. So this is why I have two groups. One I'm teaching after the live stream in New York, and the first one I'm teaching in Tokyo session. According to, of course, because a lot of people are in Europe and like different part of zone, US, London, Europe, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, the other side of the world, the far corner of the earth. So of course you need sleep too, you need rest too. If you don't sleep and rest, you won't make sound judgments because you need energy. You need some time to there's a time to hustle, there's a time to relax, but you have to hustle more while you are young. Even if you are in your 40s, 50s, it's all right. You have to work and work your ass off because that's what we do. We are men. We need to hustle, we need to provide. But in the end, we'll hit our financial goal. We gonna enjoy our lives. Gold is pumping. It is about to hit because our goal is to hit financial freedom. We will enjoy our lives, brothers. We are gonna make profits. And as long as I am alive and here, I'm gonna be helping you guys. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe. We're gonna be profitable. As I said, stick to your plan. Follow your plan. I always say, oh look, he's following SMC ICT. No, I have this. You see where the ICT SMC traders they get in, they get fooled because that's the how I teach. When the course that I'm gonna start, I'm gonna teach how the market, how the institution they play with the stop losses of. Basically they wake up in the morning and they have tools. For people, retail traders, when they go to sleep in the middle of the night during New York session, institutions can see where the trades are placed because they have access to a lot of other things which normal people don't. They have trading, insider, connections. They hire agencies to get crucial information. Of course, corporate level espionage also happens. You think it's not something, it's just something in the movies. No, it, they spend millions of dollars to, sabotage and do espionage on other companies to, get to know what they're doing, where the positions are, all that corporate level bullshit. Yeah, it happens. This is real life because money is all about the you. Have you ever played the Monopoly game? Yeah, it's like that. A millionaire is trying to become a billionaire. A billionaire is trying to become a trillionaire. And somebody who below a million and there are some people who are trying to make their first million, and there are some people who are trying to make their first 500K, and there are some people who are trying to make their first 100K. There are some people who are trying to make their 50K, and also their 10K and 5K and 1K and 500K and $100. So you are in a rat race. You are playing the ladder and snakes game. You have to know the game to play the game. You have to know the rules. You have to know your enemy. You have to know your allies. Need to have a group. You need to have a team. You need a wolf pack. You need some because this is a war. And if you are a lone soldier in a war, you're just a casualty in this war. Yeah, you are. That's right. This is you are not trading. You are basically competing other against other traders. Those traders who are not normal. They're institutional traders. They're hedge funds. They're using $1 million of worth of software that is basically opening trades, all go in microseconds. You're up against smart as people. You're up against Wall Street. You're up against London. You're up against Tokyo. You're up against institutional politicians, geopolitics, lots of things. If trading doesn't excite you, I don't know what else will. Somebody asked me this question last Friday that I open trades, but when the trade is going profitable, I panic and I close it. But I recently discovered that if I watch a movie or play a game while my trades are open, I distract my mind. Listen, there are several ways. There are some people who control their emotions, they control because when a trade is in a loss, they adapt this habit that when a trade goes into negative, they remove stop loss and their brain releases dopamine that okay, it's gonna be all right, let the trade's gonna come on profit. That bad habit is like a becomes a part of their memory. And when a trade goes into profit, they sweat, they panic. Oh my God, what's happening? I mean, it's the other way around. When the trade should go negative, you should panic, worry that okay, if it is stop loss, out loss, or I close at break even and I get another buy or a sell entry at a nice position. But it's all the wires are plugged into the other way around. This is why their brain, the machine manufacturer, it doesn't work the way it's supposed to work. Live trading, baby. Live trading. TP1 is about to heat. TP1 is about to heat. Yeah, boy. Hit the smash button. We got into a nice buy entry, as I said. We are above, baby. Let's go, baby. All the loss recovered, plus we are in profit. Smash. TP1 is smashed. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is what we're talking about, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, Zoo is gonna say, okay, snare 2507. I know what I need to do. I don't need to listen to Pro Trader 2507. I'm going in. Zoo is going in. Bye. Zoo is, as usual, abusing 2507. Even I say, buy below. He's gonna say, no, I'm gonna buy at 2507. I'm just joking, brother. Just a meme. Just a meme. There are some people, oh my god, I'm gonna close, it's dropping down. Oh my god, look at 1 hour, bruh. Relax. Tokyo is about to close in 15 minutes, and when Tokyo closes, a fresh 1 hour is about to open. Are you guys here? I don't see the chat running. How many? 9 people are watching. Nobody's interacting. Should I go? Should I close the stream and go? Huh? I don't like a dead chat, man. I need people. I need human beings. Otherwise, I'll think the Matrix is watching me. Come on, guys. Show some love. I'm here for you guys. You guys need to interact. Ask me questions. Ask me something. I did so much analysis in this weekend, and even this morning. Ask me something. You guys should increase your knowledge. Read books, read articles. I'm gonna post them soon. When our Discord channel is up, I'm gonna be providing lots of education and free material too, and access to some premium stuff too. But I'll try to even help out people who are new, because my focus is to help new traders so they don't end up losing money and giving up. And even some people who are in this market for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 2 years in consistent loss, by because they cannot invest their time to learn, but they can invest money, and they because they need that money, they want the financial freedom. They want to send their kids to nice universities. They want to buy a nice home, a nice car. They want to retire. There are lots of people out there struggling. They know 9 to 5 will just take away their precious time. It will provide them kitchen money, but against the cost of their dreams. There are some people who are getting paid nicely. I'm not against it, but you need the financial freedom. You need to experience life, because nowadays you open the social media, you get depression. How to check Asian news? Go on investing.com, economic calendar, or Forex factory. By the way, the only data you guys should right now be concerned of is the New York one. Because Asian market is a different market. London is a different. New York is a different. New York is more volatile for new traders. I would just recommend come in, make your profits, hour and a half an hour or 2 hours, whatever. Take your profit, scalp and walk away. All the new traders scalp and walk away with the profits. Don't hang with your okay. TP1 is close. As I said, don't take manual trades. Profits, put TPs. TP1 is about to hit. I'm gonna go grab some water. I'll be right back. TP1 is about to get smashed. I am watching the stream. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, TP1 is smashed. TP1 is smashed. TP1 is smashed. Bro, you're not here in Tokyo session. Why? First of all, Tokyo session is just for premium members. I'm here. I'm trading, but it's just for premium members for now. And our TP1 has been hit, guys. It's hit. It's heat. TP1 is hit. TP1 is hit. So it's hit and it's running. TP1 has been smashed. As always, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. TP1 is smashed. Okay, guys, so our trade are running fine. We don't have any problem, or we are following our trade plan. We have smashed TP1. Smashed TP1, guys, smashed. We smashed it. You also have to inform your haters and also some nice people who are new traders. You will also need to help them out because there are lots of scammers out there that don't even know how to trade and they scam people. I cannot save them all, but I can save them few. We have smashed TP1. Our trades running in, boys. Trades running in. How many trades are TP'd in right now? Any guess? Any guess? Any guess? I'll tell you. I took three take profit because I opened more than 8, 10 layers, and I took three layers, so that totals around 31 trades. 31. And live trading starts since last Monday, live on a stream. We are now in consistent profit for the past 2 months. This is the third month. Pro Wolf Trader, baby, Pro Wolf Trader. We make money together. Live stream, baby, live stream. Our trade is running so smooth. TP1 is smashed over here. TP2 is 25.12. Tokyo is closed. We have Tokyo open. We have Tokyo low. And this is Tokyo. In short, this is Tokyo high. And this is Tokyo low. And we are in London. So this is London open. And this is London low. So in short, this is Tokyo and London high. And this is London low. So you know what I'm talking, don't you? It means we have a range. As I always say, London is all about range consolidation. It works differently. And London is in the range, baby, range. Range, range, range. And it's gonna come back. Oh, why don't you sell? Because once I decide to buy, I buy. When I decide to sell, I sell. No, there is no way. There is no magic ball. You can, wait all your life for a magic ball to tell you what's gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You keep on waiting what's gonna happen, it's not gonna happen what you think is gonna happen. You can follow the price, but you don't know how hard it will pump up or how hard it will retrace. If we knew that, I mean, it's $1 million question, isn't it? Everything is priced in. All the interest rate is priced in. Interest rate cut is priced in. Listen, I told you, markets works differently. London is slow and boring for a reason. This is why you grab your tea during London session. And when it's New York, you grab on to your horses, and your steering wheel, and you hit the gas button, and you pray to Lord you are driving automatic if you wanna be profitable. Although I love manual, but this is trading, okay? This live, baby, live, making profit live in front of you. No Ponzi scheme, no selling free indicator as paid indicator for $300, no fucking changing the name of a course which has already been sold by so many people, no copyright, no bullshit. 7 year experience, institutional knowledge by the grace of Almighty. Protect us from the evil eye, amen. Working hard, analysis, going through. It's not just about technicals and fundamentals. You have to factor in the economic data. You have to see what's moving the markets. You have to be smart enough to know candles don't go up and down by itself. Oh, you have a 5 minute. You are like others. No, we follow 1 minute, 5 minutes just for entry. We just open trades. We take entries and we follow. We are scalping, bruh. We are also swing. We also long, long. Still waiting for the ABC correction. Where is it? Not happening. Not happening. I think NFP on NFP might happen, but it's for now still running. Uh, we are still in upper trend. Oh look, it breaks the trend line. Yeah, I remember I told you guys the trend line. Guess what? It's in the sideways correction. I told you. Gold weekly analysis will be uploaded today. Will be uploaded today. I was really hella busy even this morning. I was busy teaching the first batch. First batch has started, and currently all the places are filled in. All those people who reserved their spot, I'm waiting for the payment. They have just last 2 days for verification. After that, I will not tolerate any more late students because it will overall slow the progress. Next batch is gonna start from 1st October next month. You have 1 month to decide. Either you wanna go in and educate, invest in yourself. The course will be expensive. The course price will go up with each passing time. I'll also be introducing a professional level course, but as for now, you can make tons of profit with this course. If you don't want a course, take this course. If you don't want to financially educate yourself, you can take in the premium. You get 5 steady signal besides gold. You get crypto, forex, blah blah blah, lots of other things. Even if you don't want to take those things, you can just follow the free Telegram group, one daily signal, watch live stream. It's enough for you if you don't have time. If you have 9 to 5 job. I'm not self promoting. I'm not selling courses. I'm just talking the reality. Time is money. Money is not everything. Time is money. Time is more precious. The time which is spent is not gonna come back. You can make more money, but you cannot make more time. Understand? Understand the difference. You can make money, but you cannot make time. You can create money. No, I'm not talking about creating money. We cannot create money. We can just grab that money. How you gonna grab that money? Every day, millions of trillions of dollars worth of transaction is done every day by the traders. Trader making profit. If you're not trading, you have to realize that you are lacking the knowledge that is not enabling you to grab those small chunks of profits. Every day, millions of dollars worth of profit is being made by the OG traders. Again, I'm saying if you cannot make that profit, it means there's something wrong with you. You don't have the education, the means. Even then, if you don't want to educate yourself, just follow the premium signal or free signal. I mean, nothing is free in the world, but at least you're getting one signal with zero risk, 100% profit guaranteed. All I'm doing is providing signals with 100% profit guaranteed on free Telegram group and live stream. Premium members are getting signals. They are making everyday profit and walking away with those profits. You need to realize this right when the Tokyo session closed. You see the 1 hourly is doing a this base moving is trapping the sellers. Oh look, he hates seller. We are in a sell. He's a degenerate buy. Look at him because of people like that. Gold is pumping. Dude, come on. The entire wall is everybody's pricing in the rate cut. Why do you wanna be a fucking trade against the trade? Trend. Why? Please like and subscribe. I need 30 likes. Where is everybody? Only 9 likes. 3 people watching. What's happening? Already been 2 hours 16 minutes. You guys want I close the stream and walk away? You want I walk away? I'm still busy. I still got a lot of stuff to do, but I'm here streaming, man. Live. I got I still got people to take care of. Members. I need to boost accounts. Come on. I need to do my own work. I'm here sitting streaming. Come on, man. If you guys can show me some love, no likes, no views, no subscribes, why should I be here? I'm here for you guys. Come on, man. My time is precious. So is yours. Why waste it? Rather put it into somewhere productive. I just close the stream and just give the premium signals and boost my client's account and work on my and my own personal accounts and my client's accounts. What's the use, bruh? Oh look, he's selling courses. I don't need your money. I can make money. But everything has a price. Because if you have to give away free stuff, oh look, he's stupid. He's giving away free stuff. Look how cocky is he. Fuck, I don't care. I put 7 years, man. 7 years. I'm live trading. People are making money. Why do you think people wear expensive watches? Because they tell other people how precious their time is. I'm not materialistic, but aren't you trying to be rich? Huh? So why are you like why do you have a broke ass mentality if you're trying to become rich? You have to ditch that broke ass mentality and adapt the you have to think like a rich dude. You have to think like a millionaire in order to become a billionaire. You have to imagine you're a millionaire. You have tons of money. So what you gonna do with that money? Where you gonna invest it? Right when you realize, right when you can make those smart and hard choices, that's when you're gonna become millionaire. That's when you're gonna profits gonna start kicking in. You have to, if you the thing you want to become, you have to think like that individual, specific individual. If I'm Messi, if I'm Ronaldo, and I want to hit a goal, and I'm at the other end of the pitch, and I have ball with me, I have to make cross all that yard through the defending players, dodging other players, get close to the target and score a goal. Trading is just like that. You have to dodge lots of fake out, breakouts, pullbacks. You have to, survive the market stop loss hunt. You have to, ignore people screaming. You are trading your trade setup is wrong. All that negative, you have to throw it out. You have to see what other people can't see because they are too ignorant. RTP one is already hit, boys. I think I'm done for the day because I'll be back in New York because as I said, I will get really busy. I won't be streaming for 2 hours in New York. I got lots of stuff to do now. I got batch one, I got premium members, I got clients with the accounts holders. Every week I accept 5 accounts and I already got 4 accounts this week. Just one spot left. I got Discord page currently under development. I'm hiring team. I'm busy. NFP week, baby, it's NFP week. We are making money. Year is ending, man. We are in the last quarter. After October, in the mid-November, people gonna go away on vacation. There's gonna be less volume, everything. We made tons of profit throughout the year, 2 months consecutive profit back to back. Of course, I will be. But as I said, my priority right now is are the group members. I will try to stream it if I get views. If I don't get views and likes, what's the point of streaming? I mean, there are already people who are paying me. They're waiting for me. Why should I be here when people will not, give likes and subscribe to the live stream? This is why I say free stuff people don't admire. As soon as you flash that flashy car and that luxury lifestyle, people run towards it like a herd mentality. Oh look, he's a brokey. He don't have anything. Oh my, look at him. He have Ferrari, Lamborghini. Why do you think there's so many scammers in UAE? They don't even know hell anything about trading. They just go there, rent a car, rent a home, open, post some pictures, scam you. You see me posting this shit? No, nobody does that in Wall Street. Not even a hedge fund institute. They don't have time for this shit. They have their own problems to worry. They're just like people who wake up in the morning with a really bad headache, grab a coffee or a tea, and head towards office. They make money. I'm here. I'm making a brand. I'm making a community. I'm building a community. Myself. International community. I'm not a guardian angel trying to save new traders, but I'm here for a reason. I'm here for a cause. Years ago, I said to myself, after 5, 6, 7 years, I'm gonna build up a community, educate them. I wanna leave a legacy behind and retire early. And how can you do that? For if you have large dreams, large goals, you need a group of people to achieve those large goals and dreams. And God helps you when you help other people. Why would God bless you when you're being a stingy and no, I want to make profit myself? When you will help and educate other people, God will open path for you, no ways for you. When you will eat the bread all by yourself, why would God bless you more? When you will financially educate other people, when you will teach them how to fish, they can also provide for their family then. Or if they don't have a family, they can bachelor or I God knows what, whatever they're doing, they can enjoy their lives at least. My trades are running. I'm ending the stream. As I said, only 6 people watching. It's already been 2+ hours. I need to go now. I need to eat, rest, and then work again. A short nap. Not even 10 likes today. I'll come back in New York. New York is gonna be a short stream because there is no news today. It's USD holidays. If you have any question, you can leave me. Listen, Zeus, you're not following my trade plan. You are following something which is messing with your head. Drop that shit and get back with me on my entries because I'm trying to help you. You have trade open at 09. Again, I'm saying if you want to keep that trade running from here, look at this. It's here. Just TP at 25.12. Close your trades. And if a pullback happens, wait for it. And don't trade again near a damn 2507 because this, if it drops back over here. But we're gonna take partial profits. Take partial profits, put other trades on break even like I did. My trades are still running. This 1 hourly just right after the Tokyo close is gonna be a pullback, but it's gonna be a fake pullback. Next hourly gold. Listen, I don't forecast gold. I follow it. But the past historical data has showed us that it's in a range and it's still in a range, and I don't care how much it shows me a bearish candle. I'm gonna see a 1 hourly as a daily, and this is a fake candle. This is a true candle. This 1 hourly is just trapping sellers. 1 hourly is gonna open and pop up just like over here, over here. Don't trust 1 hourly sell candles. When the pullback happens and you have a sell order open, you get caught up. So be smart. You use the pullback to open buy orders, take partial profits. Lots of people in the group 1 premium, they TP'd over here and right over here, and they have the trades running over here. Some of them not on break even but SL, but they are gonna buy re-enter over here in this area again, 2500 to 2498. They're gonna buy re-entry and take the TP1 again, which is 2506. It's so easy, man. Trade psychology is so easy. Okay, guys, I see you in the New York session. The New York session is gonna be really slow. Join the premium group. I'm saying you're missing out. Anyways, take care. I catch you guys in the New York session. Since then, keep scalping, brothers. Amen.